Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to file W-2s in QuickBooks Desktop. First, confirm all your employee and payroll information is completely accurate within your company file. This includes names, addresses, social security numbers, and all wage and tax amounts. Next, make sure your QuickBooks Desktop software is updated to the very latest release to ensure compliance with current tax laws. This preparation is crucial for a smooth filing process. To begin preparing your W-2s, go to the Employees menu, then select Payroll Tax Forms and W-2, and finally process payroll forms. Choose the W-2 form and the appropriate tax period, typically the full calendar year. QuickBooks will then generate the forms based on your payroll data. Carefully review each employee's W-2 for accuracy, checking all boxes and amounts, as even small errors can cause delays. Once you have thoroughly reviewed and confirmed the accuracy of your W-2 forms, you can proceed with electronic filing. Within the Process Payroll Forms window, select the E-File and Pay option. QuickBooks will guide you through the steps to submit your W-2 directly to the Social Security Administration. This method is generally faster and more secure. Ensure you receive and save the confirmation number as proof of your successful submission. After successfully e-filing, remember to print copies of the W-2. You'll need to provide one copy to each employee and retain one for your company's records. The deadline for distributing employee copies is typically January 31st. Always keep a secure digital backup and a physical copy of all filed forms, along with your e-filing confirmation. This ensures you have complete documentation for future reference or audits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.